Pop the hood. Kody, pop it. Alright guys, we're pulling up to my dad's right now. We're gonna try and get this camper up and loaded. We're gonna go see where he's at with it. There it is. Let's see what's up with this guy. Like the setup? Squatted her down a little bit, not a whole lot. Get this thing loaded up and we'll be on our way. What's up, good boy? What's up, good boy? Axel baby, what's up? You ready to go for a long trip? 6-hour trip? And we'll see how this thing does. Alright, so we got this thing loaded up. We're probably about, I don't know, 45 minutes into our probably 6-7 hour drive. Usually only takes us 4.5 to 5 hours to get up there normally, but I mean, I'm only going 60, just kind of gradually building speed, but I don't have the sway bar attachments for the trailer, and just kind of feeling out the truck. You know, I've never towed anything this heavy with this truck yet. I towed Justin's camper maybe about 30 miles or something, and that's a 37 foot, and it weighs, I think, about 700 pounds less than this, and it seemed to do fine, but we were just taking back roads. All my temps, everything looks good on this thing. I mean, it's actually pulling pretty smooth. It's pulling a lot smoother with the freaking trailer or the camper than it is without it. Like, when I'm driving this thing, this is why I wanted to get my wheels rebalanced. What's up, bud? You say hi? This is my little travel buddy, Axel. We've had him for about 4 or 5 years or something. But yeah, this thing, when I'm on the expressway doing 70, 75, it shakes like hell. I know my wheels need to be rebalanced. I know they're not balanced right. But it's riding pretty damn smooth right now. I'm kind of impressed with it, you know? But all the temps looking pretty good, honestly. I mean, the coolant's at 190. It got up to about 210 there for a little bit. And it's pretty good now. Trans temps 150. I think the highest it's gotten so far was 160. I mean, everything looks good. So we're about to come up on the Zilwaukee Bridge here. This is what I kind of been waiting for, to see how this thing does going up this. It's a pretty big bridge. What's up, Beans?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
I like yours.
Yeah, what's your shirt say?
Eat shit.
Eat shit. Putting the campsite on here. We bought this tent for 150 bucks, brand new. That's my cousin's parked over here.
Well,
yeah.
The park's gonna hit me in about 20 minutes.
Why?
It's not that. I don't know my jigsaw to figure out. Like I said, same thing as they said. Bring it down there and figure out what to do. So, load her up. It's a little broken.
Is it? How long has it been since this thing's actually moved under its own power?
Less than a year. So.
Alright. Dude, what size lift do you think's on this thing? Uh-oh. Died out. Nothing. It stalled out and it won't start again.
When he goes out, he's gonna back it up, dude. He's fucking fine.
Hey, that's just the game, I guess. Dude, this thing's got like a 20-inch lift at least 46s. This thing's huge. That sunroof's looking a little bit too small for my likings. Hey, what do you think's easier? So the windows don't roll down. What do you think's easier, putting all the fuses back in it or just getting rid of the windows?
Sawzall.
That's what I was thinking. Honestly.
Yep,
Hey,
totally.
if you look down in there's a cable. Maybe out of gas.
It might be trying to see what happens.
Is the gas? Does all the gauges work?
She's got a quarter tank.
All right, I'll let it rip.
Now, man, she hits that, oh, it's different.
Look at this. The tunes work. Average miles per gallon, 0.1. 63 miles till E. Oh shit. Yeah, kill it. It's missing the radiator hose. Yeah, the radiator hose is missing.
Oh, well, that's why we're...
Maybe that's what that howling was. It was the cooling system fucking gasping for life support.
We're going back. These bugs are dude.
We'll be back there in a minute.
Can we get wood through there?
Something's overheating. Brakes.
You're gonna back up to that pile nice and easy?
Yeah.
That's good? Yeah, that's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Sure.
That'll work.
Sure?
A little closer. A little bit. That'll do it.
Probably good.
Yeah.
Buddy, I gotta come up a little bit. We can't even get in it. You're not a good guider. That's your fault. That's littering. Really bad littering. Dude, we needed a new window. Free window. You want to do this and then try it? See what we can get out of this.
pretty tough.
I think the hinges are probably... going with my doors?
I don't know.
Dude, where'd my door go?
I don't know.
Dude, get back here. Honestly, this was the best AC conversion I've ever seen. Dude, what happened to this thing? Is this when we hit that tree branch?
Could be.
I think it was when that twig smacked back and hit us. It's all sappy and whatnot.
Hey.
You can take these off, you know, for safety in case somebody cuts themselves or something. You know what I mean? It's pretty sharp. That's like sharp tooth sharp. This is the fiborn quarry, everybody. What's up, Sniff? How's it running? Look at these things, boy. What year is this? What year are these?
2018.
2018 Can-Am 570s. Is that what they are?
Yep.
Look at these rippers. Winches, the whole 9 yards. Oh, there's water just pouring right out of that box. All right, come on, everybody.
Let go.
These buildings over here, they're from like the 1800s. What'd you do? Rust?
Yeah.
Bud?
What?
What's wrong? You alright?
I don't want my socks again. Hey.
Oh. Basically, and they'd unload and load in here. Gosh, forgot to shut my door.
Yeah, let me just shut mine. Go to it. Ready?
Shut the door, don't forget. Slam it hard. Kody's gonna get ya.
Go over there.
Yeah, that probably wasn't the smartest thing to do.